die to watch you smile. You left me suffering, alone and in denial. I can't save you now, there's no more doubt. You've shown me how you're hollowed out, and sympathy just isn't in your nature. Get out of my life, get out of my head. I know that you won't make it back from the dead. Forget what I said, I was so much better, yeah, I'm so much better. Breathe, steady flows will guide you home. You'll see the part of me I've never shown. Just breathe, even when you are alone. I need for you to love me or to leave. Why aren't you answering? Haven't heard from you in a while, and it's so deafening, the verdict of our trial. Let's make this quick, I know you're tripping.